Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to get your Albert Cash monthly statement. If you don't have an Albert account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see an option for account located at the upper right part of the screen. Click on Account. Under Accounts, you will see several tabs. Click on Documents. On this page, you will see a section for Albert Cash. Under Albert Cash is an option that says Monthly Statements. Beside it, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon. Now you will see the list of your monthly statements. Click on the expand icon beside the statement you wish to get. Then it will be automatically downloaded, and you will be able to view the selected statement. That's how you get your Albert Cash monthly statement. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.